friends, welcome to my channel Just to Know. Today our topic is on phospholipid. This question is asked as an essay question and sometimes as a short note too. Today we will see how to write a short note for phospholipid and the continuation of the phospholipid for essay will be posted in the next video. This topic was recommended in the comment section by two viewers. They are Narendran. Super sister, you can make a video about phospholipid. Thanks brother. Then Nirmala Murthy, yeah, notes on phospholipid could be useful. Yes, you can use this video for notes too. I hope the video would be useful for them. Phospholipids. Introduction. Phospholipids or phosphatides are compound lipids that contain a phosphate group esterified to the hydroxyl group of an alcohol. Phospholipids are composed of fatty alcohol, that is a glycerol, inositol or a sphingosine, then a fatty acid which may be a saturated or a polyunsaturated fatty acid, and a phosphate group to which the nitrogen base is attached, that is to choline, serine, threonine or an ethanolamine. There are two classes of phospholipids, namely glycerophospholipids and sphingophospholipids. Now let us see about the two classes of phospholipids. Glycerophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids are lipids containing glycerol as alcohol. They consist of glycerol 3-phosphate esterified at its C1 and C2 with fatty acid. Usually, C1 contains saturated fatty acid and C2 contains unsaturated fatty acid. The important glycerophospholipids are phosphatidic acid, lecithins or phosphatidylcholine, cephalins or phosphatidylethynolamine, plasmalogens, inositol or phosphatidyl inositols, cardiolipins and diphosphatidyl-glycerol. In detail about these glycerophospholipids will be seen in the next video. The next class of phospholipid is called as sphingophospholipid, which is also known as sphingomyelin. The sphingophospholipid contain two nitrogenous bases, namely sphingosine and choline. Thus, the sphingomyelin contains sphingosine base, one long chain fatty acid, a choline and a phosphoric acid. The sphingomyelin are found in a large amount in brain and nervous tissue. To the amino group of the sphingosine, the fatty acid is attached by a amide linkage, and this part of the sphingomyelin is called as ceramide. The free ceramide released by the extracellular stimuli plays an important role in mediation of apoptosis and other signal transduction. So friends, subscribe our channel for more updates and share your interested topic in the comment section which you want us to post. The general functions of phospholipids are: in association with the protein, phospholipids form the structural component of the membrane and regulates the membrane permeability. Phospholipids in the mitochondria are responsible for the maintenance of conformation of electron transport chain compounds and thus in the cellular respiration. Phospholipids also participate in the absorption of fat from the intestine. Arachidonic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid liberated from the phospholipid, serve as a precursor for the synthesis of eicosanoid, namely prostaglandins, prostacylin and thromboxane, etc. They also participate in the reverse cholesterol transport and thus helps in the removal of cholesterol from the body. Phospholipids act as a surfactant, the agent lowering the surface tension. This dipalmityl lecithin is an important lung surfactant. The respiratory distress syndrome in the infant is associated with the insufficient production of this surfactant. Cephalin, an important group of phospholipid, participate in blood clotting. Inositol, a glycerophospholipid, are involved in the signal transmission across the membrane. Phospholipids are essential for the synthesis of different lipoprotein and thus participate in the transport of lipid. Accumulation of fat in the liver, which is called as fatty liver, can be prevented by the phospholipid, hence they are regarded as a lipotropic factor.